What's up, guys? Just received the brand new Samsung Neo QLED. What's that? QN98 65-inch television. This is supposed to be the cutting edge. It was released this January, I believe, and this is one of the first mini LED televisions on the market. So I thought I might give you a little tour of this TV. It just arrived today, so it's pretty exciting, huh? Okay, it boots up. It shows the language select screen, and then and that's about it, right? That's all there is to it. I mean, I have no fucking idea what I'm supposed to be pushing on this remote, because I'm totally unfamiliar with Samsung remotes, but this thing is just fucking toast. I mean, what the fucking hell? What kind of quality assurance does Samsung have on the products? I mean, we've been unpacking this like 40-kilogram television for like an hour in 90 degrees, and it was all in fucking vain because this thing just doesn't work. I tried to look it up on the internet, and they suggested various workarounds like power cycling it and pressing the power button while unpowered and stuff, but it really doesn't do diddly dick. I also tried to force a firmware upgrade, even with two different thumb drives. One is even a Samsung one. Tried to format it in FAT32, NTFS, and exFAT. None of them worked. Tried to use the OS independent version and the Windows installer, and nothing, nada. So, I mean, I guess you gotta cherish what you have, right? Enjoy it. You have a nice splash screen and the language selector. Pretty fucking great investment, right? I mean, this thing sells for like $2,000, over $2,000, and that's all the functionality. Pretty darn innovative, Samsung. I mean, I don't get it. How does someone release such a product that can't even fucking turn on? I mean, technically it turns on, but that's about it. So, I mean, I've been avoiding Samsung TVs like the plague, and this time I thought I might as well give it a shot because mini LED looks interesting and promising and stuff, but after this, man. Anyway, I have no idea what to do with this. I'm probably gonna return it because after such a great start, what would you expect? So I don't know, man. I really didn't find anything interesting on the internet that I could try. There's not, I mean, there's only one button, one physical button on this thing, and really none of the remote buttons do anything except for the power and volume. I mean, great, you can adjust the volume. Isn't that just great? That is totally worth 2K grands. I mean, what? 2 grands, whatever, man. So yeah, great TV, guys. Great QA from Samsung. Kudos. Credit to team, whatever. Take care and have a nice evening and and avoid Samsung. Bye.